Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to add your shop location on Google Maps. Firstly, open Google Maps on your device, then type your business location in the search bar. Right-click on the location of the map, then click Add Your Business. Now, you'll have to enter your business name. Type your business name, and if you're a new business, choose a unique and relevant name. Now, let's select your business type. Choose the most relevant business type as online retail, local store, or service business. Now, you can enter your website URL or skip this step. Choose a category that closely matches your business. Then provide your full business address, including zip code. Make sure it's correct as is needed for verification. If Google suggests similar business names, select yours. If it's a new business, just select none of these and click Next. Now drag the marker to pinpoint your business location and click Next to continue. Finally, you need to complete a verification. Google will ask you to verify your business via mail, phone, or email. Follow the verification process to make your business visible on Google Maps. Now, your business is officially listed and customers can easily find it online. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.